Hi traders, this is Kriska and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today in this video, I'm going to share with you a trading hack that will help you catch trade setups and be rewarded with more pips and improve in terms of the results that you're getting out from Forex trading. And with more pips, it would mean that more money for us in terms of trading. But before I go on and share with you with what this hack is, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not, so that you will get updates whenever I release new videos on content for Forex trading and trading with Pipfinite tools. So as a day trader, most of our hours are spent in front of our screens. But I've learned through the years that it doesn't have to be like that. Trading cannot be that stressful. So there are a lot of things that could be going on with your life. So you don't need to be stuck in front of your screens just because you are waiting for a trading setup to pan out. Well, besides, staying in front of your screens can be extremely boring. So there's an art when it comes to figuring out where most of the trading setups are more likely to appear or to happen. And of course, with that, we also would want our hit rate in terms of the success rate of these trading setups to really go to our favor. So when do we actually do that? So when is the best time to do that? So it's like the saying goes, where struck while the iron is still hot. So the hack in trading that I am mentioning is trading the markets where the markets are highly volatile. Meaning we have to take note of the 3 important trading sessions in Forex. So let's start with the Asian session. So the Asian session runs from Sydney session up to the close of Tokyo session. Pairs that are most likely to be traded during this session are New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, and Japanese yen. You will be able to expect or to see movements coming off from these currencies. These are the popular currencies to trade during this period. So also, Asian session is characterized by thin liquidity. So what does it mean by thin liquidity? So it means that markets are most likely to be ranging at this point. So again, we would want a movement coming out from our trades. So therefore, we would want to see active market when we participate in the market, unless we are scalping, because when we are scalping, there's no limit. We can just trade anytime that we see movement, and then number of points that we set will be satisfied, and then we're okay. But the likelihood of hitting our targets and successfully hitting our targets will be reliable on the times that we trade. Right? So also with thin liquidity, it means that it will be very expensive to trade, especially because the spreads are high. So it will contribute to the amount of profit that we will be getting out of the market after the spreads are being considered. So the next session that we're going to discuss is the London European session. So London session opens on 8 GMT. So this is the biggest Forex trading session with in terms of 32% in activity. So most global financial hub and major European currency financial centers open during these times. So what does it mean for you? So it means that the market is highly volatile during this time, and would also mean that it has thin spreads. Therefore, participating in the market is usually advisable or recommended at this point. Most breakouts and reversals happen during this time because of the massive liquidity. So the best pairs to trade during this session, since of course obviously these are Euro of course, and pound. So the third session that we're going to discuss is New York session. It usually starts at GMT 13 hour. Okay, so with New York session opening, notice that there will be an overlap between London session and New York session. So what does it mean for you? So it means that there will be high activities in terms of market exchange, and during these early hours, this will be the best time. This is the best time for us to trade. So this is the trading hack that I would want to share with you. Trade during the New York and London session overlap, because high likely your targets will be hit, high likely trade setups will start to appear. The success rate at this time will really improve by a lot of time, because markets are driven because of the opening of the New York session, and then also an overlap between these two big sessions, London and New York. So this is that trading hack where you will only look at your screens 3 hours non-stop. You can do that if you're a day trader. So you will look for trading opportunities and come off with in terms of decent profits, because of it yields high returns at this point. And most currencies are driven by USD. So expect that you can trade almost all currencies at this point, but I'm talking about major currencies, so that you will maintain low spreads and it would not be expensive for you in terms of trading the markets. Alright, so that will be it for the trading hack on when is the best time for you to trade. But then again, it will be still dependent on your style. So if you would want to increase in terms of your success rate, I would recommend that this is the best time to trade the London session and the New York session overlap. But it will still be dependent on your style. It will still be dependent on your availability, on the amount of time that you are willing to give in terms of trading the markets. You can definitely stay in front of the screens. If you are a scalper, definitely you will have to do that, because you come in and out of the market. And if you would want to really scalp, the best time to do it is during the opens of these sessions. So you know when Sydney session starts, London session starts, and it's most powerful during the overlap of New York and London session. Alright, so that will be it. If you found this video very informative and valuable to your trading, all you have to do is like this video and subscribe to my channel, and see you again tomorrow for another Forex tips and strategies on trading with Pipfinite tools.